morning all. My name is Albert Sagala. I came from the Institute of Technology, Bahasa Mesir, Indonesia. This morning I would like to present my project. Yeah, actually this project already conducted in 2013. Uh, Still not published, and I see from some literature review there's still many researchers conducting the research about the RFID technology, also because the emergence of the Internet of Things. The outline for my presentation this morning is abstract introduction, consists of background research, then RFID technology, design and analysis, experimental result, conclusion and discussion. Many university or institute today still use manually to detect the attendance of the students, even in my place, in my campus, still manually. So that's why we intend to adapt one technology that can automatically detect the students present, because we think that's very important to know early, how many students attend our class, and also to make us the lecturer easy to recapitulation. Then sometimes several of my colleges use the attendance as component, to decide the final grade. So in this preliminary research, we conduct a pilot scale project to implement the RFID, short from radio frequency identification, to detect the students present. This is about the RFID technology. So RFID technology is short from radio frequency identification, so that the system can detect whether the object exists or not. Then using the communication, we can send the data direct to the server. The RFID tags already used in many industry. For example, RFID tag attached to an automobile during the production. Now, from the literature review, we found there are many type of RFID based on the band frequency, from 120 to 150 until 3.1 until 10 gigahertz. So this frequency will affect the distance range for the object can be detected. In our situation, we choose frequency 13.56 megahertz. So the range only 10 centimeter to 1 meters, so not long. And we are using the smart card ISO IEC 14443. This is the cheapest card. Here in the literature it's only 0.5, but actually this is if we buy many cards. From my experience, I only buy 50 cards. It costs, if I'm not mistaken, it's around $2, $2 per card. Okay, now I continue with how actually the RFID work. RFID work based on the electromagnetic wave from the object. So the object, we embed the passive RFID tag. Then if the location near to the RFID reader will detect the existing of the object and got all the data, and the data will send to the RFID server. So our focus is how to detecting easily the cards near to the RFID scanner. As I said before, the emerge of the Internet of Things, I think RFID is very popular today because these things make Internet of Things will become a popular technology that will be used in many sectors. Yeah, it can be used to the access management, tracking of goods, tracking of person and animal, toll collection and contactless payment, machine readable travel documents, etc. And one area that we are still not considered in our research is the security, the security for implementing the RFID technology. I just get the data from the Wikipedia. There's also already many university implement students ID card using RFID, like in this list. Yeah, there's example Southampton University students ID card, library and building access. They use mi4 classic 4 kilobytes. It means the total size of memory in the card is 4 kilobytes. In our research, we are using mi4 classic 1 kilobyte. So it only can insert the data for 1 kilobyte. So what is our background research? As I said before, we need for real-time monitoring of student activity because student attendance at lecture was very important session to be recorded, and manually recording was takes time, and also for green energy to minimize the use of paper. So our goal is to generate the prototype that can use RFID technology to take the student attendance systematically. In developing this prototype, for this research, the RFID technology is used to detect the ID of students, ID of students. Then the information sent to the server. Then comparing the eligible students to attend the class or room. In our situation, not all students may enter the class, so they should be in the list. And then a design approach to implement the RFID on campus. So this is our design and analysis in hardware or software that we have. We put the design like this. We put one server. We install the MySQL server here, and also this it should be we try to TCP/TCP connection, but the RFID reader that we have only have a USB serial connection. So this is the difficulty uh, in our research that we already connected. So from the smart card, then the electromagnetic wave signal sent to the RFID reader to the middleware. Middleware is also the difficulty in building the application, because we need to uh, get the data from the RFID reader and should be convert to the database server. Okay, so this is the layout for our design. So this is a lecture table, so the students will sit here. When the lecturer and students enter the door, the RFID reader will detect the card, and after that send the data to the server. So this is the room ID, time, class, subject, material, and lecture. This is the